Hi, I'm Bardin Davis. I'm the CEO of PEK Rare Earths, and it's a pleasure to be connecting with you today. PEK is an ASX listed rare earth development company and is closely aligned to thematics around decarbonisation and the rise of electric vehicles and renewable energy. We're focused on the development of the Ngualla Rare Earth Project in Tanzania, one of the largest and highest grade undeveloped rare earth projects in the world. Approximately 92% of the value of Ngualla's rare earth concentrate is attributable to contained NdPr oxide. The market for NdPr oxide is projected to move into a rapidly expanding deficit. And as shown on the left-hand side, this is primarily driven by rapid growth in electric vehicles and direct drive wind turbines. Tanzania is already an established mining jurisdiction, but is rapidly improving under the presidency of Samia Suluhu Hassan. Tanzania, historically known for gold and diamonds, however, as shown on the map, is bestowed with high-quality critical mineral deposits, not only in rare earths, but also in graphite, lithium, and nickel. On the nickel front, it's worth noting BHP's recent US $90 million investment into Kabanga Nickel, which is seen as a strong endorsement of the Tanzanian sector from one of the international majors. The Ngualla project is located in southwest Tanzania and is widely regarded as the premier, the best undeveloped rare earth project in the world. We completed a Bankable Feasibility Study update October of last year, and it very much reaffirmed the world-class nature of the project, both from a technical as well as an economic perspective. So key points of attraction include high-grade ore reserves, both from a total rare earth oxide as well as an NdPr basis, which are materially higher than our peers. A multi-generational project, so we've got a plus 24-year life of mine supported by JORC-compliant ore reserves. But importantly, those ore reserves account for less than 20% of the resource base. The project has been substantially de-risked. We've completed a Bankable Feasibility Study update. We've got a binding framework agreement with the government of Tanzania, and we've been granted our special mining license. We've got an integrated pathway to development. So we've got a binding offtake agreement with our major shareholder, Shenghe, and that's supported by an integrated EPC and funding MOU. The Ngualla project has compelling project economics, as well as substantial exploration and development upside. PEK currently has a market capitalisation of around 100 million Australian dollars and is trading at a substantial discount both to our intrinsic value and the value of our peers. We're well funded, and as at the 30th of June, had a cash balance of in excess of 25 million Australian dollars. Bottom left-hand side, you can see that we hold an 84% interest in the Ngualla Rare Earth Project, with the government of Tanzania holding a 16% free carried interest. We like that as a concept. We believe that it creates a strong alignment of interest and very much a partnership with the government of Tanzania. Also on the left-hand side, it's worth highlighting that we enjoy a very strong and supportive relationship with Shenghe, our major shareholder. Shenghe has also got a proven track record of supporting NYSE-listed MP Materials, where they've complemented a shareholding with very strong offtake, technical and funding support. Our board is led by Russell Scrimshaw. Russell is a former founding director and deputy CEO of Fortescue. Our board and management team have significant rare earth and mining experience and a proven track record in developing and funding African and international mining projects. Our immediate focus now is progressing the Ngualla project to a targeted final investment decision and commencement of construction by May 2024. Front-end engineering and design is well underway, with final report due in early November. Early works and procurement planning has also commenced. We've also identified a number of optimization and cost reduction opportunities that are being further investigated. Importantly, we're also progressing discussions with Shenghe around a EPC and funding solution to complement the binding offtake agreement that we have in place. We believe that the Ngualla project has the potential to be multi-generational and multi-commodity. To that end, we've recently commenced a new exploration program focused on the critical mineral potential of the Ngualla project. It builds upon historical drilling and high-grade intercepts of phosphate, fluorspar, niobium, and tantalum. We've got drill rigs on site, and we're expecting first assay results shortly. Longer term, we're also keen to explore the potential of moving further downstream. This could increase margins, and it could also support the establishment of an East African rare earth processing hub. So in summary, PEK today is in the strongest position in its history. We've got a compelling sector outlook supported by the rise of electric vehicles and renewable energy. The Ngualla project is absolutely world-class. It's a high-grade bastnaesite, low levels of radionuclides with a plus 24-year life of mine. Tanzania is already an established mining jurisdiction, but rapidly improving. We benefit from a supportive major shareholder in the form of Shenghe, with whom we have a binding offtake agreement and an MOU providing an integrated EPC and funding solution. The Ngualla project has a pathway to development that has been substantially de-risked from a technical, regulatory, and an offtake perspective. And of course, all of this is supported by a proven and experienced team. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much for your time.